Yep, we just 10-50 to the squad. Central strong, we're wiping out. Hold your up.
Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The chase erupted as the suspect driving a Chevrolet sped at 90 miles per hour, weaving recklessly through traffic, ignoring all danger. The streets descended into chaos, with every second filled with intense tension.
Through the parking lot, Bubba College.
A pit maneuver flipped the suspect's car, igniting a fierce blaze. Police quickly extinguished the fire, rescued him, and seized a firearm. With prior offenses, he now faces a much harsher sentence. The Chevy involved in a shooting sped at 95 miles per hour, igniting a high-stakes chase. The suspect defied all odds, running stop signs and driving against traffic. Will escape be possible, or is failure inevitable?
Eastbound, we're going over the river. We're going to continue eastbound past Riverside or eastbound. So the red light here. On into Woodward Avenue, we're getting into a certain area, White Woodward. Just for the light at Park Avenue, continue. North on Prairie Ave. I think we have a light spot with us. Eastbound strong.
Yep, we just 10-50 to the squad. Central strong, we're wiping out. Hold your up.
The situation escalated when the suspect's car crashed directly into a patrol vehicle, losing control and coming to a halt. Gunshots echoed, ending the threat in a moment of intense tension.
Reload.
The chase erupted when a truck, suspected of being involved in multiple accidents, was spotted. The driver recklessly sped up, drove dangerously, nearly collided, and attempted a U-turn, testing the police. The tense chase led into a residential area as the car began smoking, with the risk of an explosion looming. The driver, a woman, raised her hands in surrender, marking the end of the dangerous situation. A high-speed chase erupted as the daring driver blew past a checkpoint, ignoring all warnings. The suspect drove recklessly, endangering the lives of other road users without hesitation.
10-4, we're getting county at 5. Stunts Springs, all units, we copying.
Region 10-4, I'm headed west. Get out.
Stunts Springs, K5, have returns on a 2016 Toyota pickup, boys. What's your wrong record?
The suspect's car spun out of control after a precise pit maneuver. The driver was ejected, hitting the concrete hard, and was taken to the hospital before facing a harsh sentence. The car sped away in a tense chase, with the driver running red lights and driving against traffic, causing chaos. Even with both bumpers torn off, the car continued its reckless escape, defying all limits. A precise pit maneuver forced the car to stop. The suspect threw a suspicious coil of wires, considered crucial evidence, before being arrested for further investigation. The white Dodge Ram surged to 95 miles per hour as the daring driver crossed lanes, cut through an intersection, and veered into a bike lane. Traffic was sparse, but the tension in the air was palpable.
Green Bay, West Side Green Bay. He's got white Dodge Ram 1500 water for RES. Murray Victor 5673, time occupied, includes 2 times, male and female. Speeds are approximately 65. Roads are dry, traffic slow right now. West Side Green Bay, North Pike Windmill. White Dodge Ram, wanted for RES. Still west on Green Bay, he's coming to the green light. All right. What street is this? What street is this? What street? Is it Congress?
Villard.
We're gonna be west on Villard.
You're not coming over. Go ahead.
We coming over?
All right, go ahead. We're calling west. We're calling west on Villard. Traffic is light, roads are dry, speeds are 77 miles per hour. In pursuit of a white Dodge Ram, one for RES. Still westbound on Villard. Passing Lincoln. Traffic is non-existent. Roads are dry, speeds are 90 miles per hour. Still west on Villard. Passing 25th Street.
I got it. 7250 for the air. We're in pursuit of the white Dodge Ram 1500 water for RES. West on Villard, approaching Titonia, coming up to the red right now. We're going to be north on Titonia from Villard. White Dodge Ram 1500, Mary Victor 5673. Tom's got passenger side damage.
Notified District 4.
Notified District 4, we're coming up. Speeds are 60, traffic's light, roads are dry right now.
Coming up to Silver Spring.
Coming up to Silver Spring, north on Titonia. White Dodge Ram 1500, passenger side damage. Coming up to Silver Spring red. From Silver Spring, he will be going west on Silver Spring from Titonia. Traffic's light, roads are dry. Mary Victor 567.
Silver Spring.
Alright, clear.
Alright, he's been good.
Passenger side right. Passenger side damage, one for RES. We're gonna be coming back up to Village. White Dodge Ram. Alright, still south on Sherman, he's gonna be coming up to Village.
The car, with smoke billowing and a severely damaged rear wheel, kept speeding, scattering sparks and debris. Chaos peaked as it veered the wrong way, crashing into a fence and a utility pole.
Still west on Final Light coming up to Hampton. White Dodge Ram's gonna have damage all over. Yeah, he's smoking pretty bad.
Approaching 145.
Approaching 145. Alright, from here on Fond du Lac, we will be going through Fond du Lac and Hampton. Clear. Alright, we're going on 145. Notify District 4.
Clear.
Going down 145. Alright, you can have some pretty good damage up here. Speed's about 80, traffic's late.
He got 2 tires off.
The suspect abandoned the car and ran into dense vegetation as police swiftly surrounded the area. The intense chase, from city streets to the forest, concluded with complete police control. The chase intensified as the silver Mercedes-Benz, despite a flat tire, sped through crowded streets at 65 miles per hour. The suspect ignored signs, ran red lights, and turned every corner into a lurking danger.
Traffic is medium. Hold the f*** over! The exhaust is now draining in the ground. Continuing southbound. Again, it's over Mercedes. Going southbound here through Greenfield. We're doing red light. Doing southbound to get speed here. We're at about 50 miles an hour. Southbound and Pearl. Only 2 cars on the road. I'm just doing arrow continuing southbound on Pearl. 65 miles an hour. No traffic right here. Going through a stop sign here. Westbound.
Alley.
I jumped onto the alley. Just need a mosquito.
Approaching Burnham now.
Watch that right passenger window was open. It's because something.
Yep, we got eyes now. We're stuck right here. We're gonna go eastbound now on Burnham. Passing lap of 14 Orchard. Yeah, stop 6.
863 has 627 6 south on the highway.
Yeah, we're gonna be going eastbound on Greenfield from 26. He's the only occupant, right? Yeah.
Eastbound, approximately 56 miles an hour, traffic medium. Silver Mercedes, Minnesota plate. Window, just make right stop.
Going northbound on 23rd from Greenfield, approaching now Minimum. Correction, Scott. We got another, clear.
The Mercedes was running on bare rims, its speed dropping. Yet the driver stubbornly resisted. In the end, he was forced to surrender to the police perimeter, ending the daring standoff. Peace shattered as the driver of a Nissan recklessly fled, speeding through crowded streets and ignoring slippery roads, leaving fear and chaos in his wake.
Only 2 cars.
Back on westbound on view. 2-3, coming back off 2-4. Get a car on Greenfield. He is now northbound on 2-4 from view, please. Right off the national. Right. Now 2-4 clear. Traffic is light. Weather down. Speed of 50 miles per hour. Is eastbound on National from 2-4. Is now northbound on 2-3 from National Avenue. He's going to be wanted for second degree RES. 2-7 and Evergreen. It sticks. Never mind. 16. Spot on the viaduct. 62 viaduct. Spot on the viaduct. 16. In the park. Into the park at 2-2. Journey opposite to the park. Get to the northbound lot. Northbound lot. Mitchell Park. Northbound lot by Mitchell Park is where he's going to come out. Speeds are 45 miles per hour. Traffic's not existing. Roads are down. That might be closed off up there. We're still in the park. It's going to be coming out by 270. Coming out by the nose. Speeds are 40. Traffic's not existent. Still through the parkway. It's going to be coming out right here.
westbound to the park. Stick him. Get out of the way. What the heck are you doing? We are westbound on Evergreen, passing in traffic is we're southbound on 28 from Evergreen. Better. Southbound is going to come international. On the way. Clear. Clear. Oh, almost circle squad. Circle squad. Continue to national. Where'd he go? He's got westbound. I'm national from today.
Police went all out to stop the reckless actions, forcing the vehicle to a halt. The suspect was arrested on multiple charges, concluding the dramatic and tense chase. The chase began when police identified the wanted white Kia Sportage. The driver recklessly accelerated and swerved suddenly, with 3 passengers in the car, escalating the danger of the situation.
Sherman, westbound, Douglas from Sherman, 26 miles an hour, no traffic, and roads are dry. White Kia Sportage. Where you want? We're on Narc 1, dude. 4276 for the air. We're going to be in vehicle pursuit. Southbound on 40th from Douglas. White Kia Sportage, no traffic, roads are dry, 22 miles an hour. Once again, it's a white Kia Sportage. Wanted for reckless driving. Coming up on Forest here in just a second. All right, 4276. We're still in vehicle pursuit. White Kia Sportage now going westbound on Florist. Clear right, clear right, clear right. Westbound on Florist. Now 39 southbound from Florist. Southbound 39 from Florist. 40 miles an hour. We've got no traffic out here and roads are dry. Once again, it's a Kia Sportage. Southbound 39 from Florist. Wanted for reckless driving. Unknown occupants, unknown. This looks like it having tags on it. Possibly 3 occupants. All right, continuing southbound on 39. We're coming up on Thurston here, and we're going to be going to westbound on Thurston. Westbound on Thurston from 39. All right, temporarily lost eyes on him. Probably went up 40th, either north or south. For the air, clear right, man. All right, we're 43 southbound from Mill Road, 43rd Street southbound from Mill Road. It's a white Kia Sport, a lot of reckless driving. Just passing Douglas, we got speeds. All right, we're going to be going westbound Douglas from Sherman, westbound Douglas from Sherman, 26 miles an hour, no traffic, and roads are dry. White Kia Sportage. Where are you on? We're on Narc 1, dude. 4276 for the air. We're going to be in vehicle pursuit. Southbound on 40th from Douglas. White Kia Sportage, no traffic, roads are dry, 22 miles an hour. Once again, it's a white Kia Sportage. Wanted for reckless driving. Coming up on Forest here in just a second. All right, 4276. We're still in vehicle pursuit. White Kia Sportage now going westbound on Florist. Clear right, clear right, clear right. Westbound on Florist. Now 39 southbound from Florist. Southbound 39 from Florist. 40 miles an hour. We've got no traffic out here and roads are dry. Once again, it's a Kia Sportage. Southbound 39 from Florist. Wanted for reckless driving. Unknown occupants, unknown. This looks like it having tags on it. Possibly 3 occupants. All right, continuing southbound on 3.
The chase began when police identified the wanted white Kia Sportage. The driver recklessly accelerated and swerved suddenly, with 3 passengers in the car, escalating the danger of the situation.